condenser covered in cottonwood. You can see I've already started to washing it off. Luckily this unit allows you to take the panels off, makes it a little easier to clean. But just so you can get an idea of how bad it is, you know, it's coming off in sheets. The general maintenance tip, I mean, we come out and do it for you in the beginning of the spring, especially if you're set up on one of our contracts. But something the homeowner should really be privy to and try to maintain in the couple months of spring where we have these cottonwoods blooming like crazy. General maintenance will save you a lot of money, save you a lot of time and expense, a lot of trouble with one of those really hot days, because that's when it really likes to give you trouble and stop working, is when it gets really hot. If this coil can't breathe, you're going to have trouble.